Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to view all chats attachments on Messenger. If you're looking to easily navigate through the photos and videos shared in your conversations, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps together. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on a conversation to enter it. Next, locate the contact or group chat you want to view the attachments for. Tap on the contact's name or profile photo at the top of the screen. Now, under the More Actions section, tap on View Media, Files, and Links. This will bring you to a new screen where you can access all the shared attachments. Here, you'll find your shared photos and videos neatly organized. You can easily scroll through and revisit any media that has been exchanged in the chat. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all chat's attachments on Messenger without any hassle. Just remember to tap on the contact, group name or profile photo and select View Media, Files and Links to access all the shared attachments. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on our channel.